Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to stop game crashing on Android. Here's a step guide to help stop games from crashing on Android. First is to unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection like Wi Fi or mobile data. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Apps, Apps and Notifications, or App Management. After that, go to Apps, All Apps, or App List. Find and choose the game that keeps crashing. Then tap Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If the issue persists, also tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. This may reset game progress unless linked to an account. Now, open the Google Play Store and search for your game. Tap Update if a newer version is available. Now go back to Settings, System, Software Update, and update your Android version if needed. Restart your phone to refresh memory and processes. Launch the game again, and it should now run more smoothly without crashing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.